another video of today. So we're still talking about GPS, and here is what we call the GPS tracker. So this one, they are the smart GPS tracker. So we are going into this other GPS, which is we call G19. As you can look at it very well, you see here G19. So this one is G19 GPS. Looking here, this is G19 GPS. So this is what we're going to look at for today. So this is how you open the GPS. Open it, and here this is the GPS. You see how it comes. So this is the GPS itself, and this is how the G19. This is how it look like. This is G19. This is how it look like. And under this here, this is its own cable. You just have two cable, the negative and the positive. This is the negative and the positive cable. Then here, this is your fuse. This is your fuse here. This is the fuse, and you can remove the fuse if you want to remove. So this is the fuse, and this is the head. This head go to the GPS. Then this head go to the battery, negative and the positive. Negative and the positive cable. This is it. Go to the GPS, and it comes with this screwdriver. This is a screwdriver, and you have here there's a screw. In here we are going to tie the GPS on it. Then here we have the manual. This is the manual itself. You can open into the manual and see and know how to install the device. So this is the manual. Then you have qualification certificate of the GPS. This is it here. So this is G19. So let's look at it. So this is G19. It's just before you have to install, you just have to open it, and this is how it look like in GPS. This is how it look like here. This is where you put a SIM card. Then when you put a SIM card, you just have to come here and the corner here and make sure you on it. You need, you will see this light down here and start displaying. And the next video I will teach you, show you the function of these three lights that they are down there. So this is the GPS. When you have put your SIM card in here, you just have to use this screw. The screws are there. Use the screw to tie the device. Use the screw to tie the device. 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. Tie the device. Then here you just have to connect. You just have to connect this together. You just have to make sure you plug this one using the set. You plug it. Then this one goes to the battery. That's the negative and the positive part of your vehicle, cable in your vehicle. That is how you install it. Then this one, they don't need this one. This one they don't need relay. This one they don't use relay. And I still have another one I just like to discuss also in this video. Then I have this very small GPS. I think this is the smallest size of GPS I have for now. And this one they are very small. This, you see, these ones are very small. The small, there is just like half of this. So this is the GPS. You see the GPS. Here is it. You can see how small it is. So this is the GPS, and this one has its own cable. This one go to the positive, and this one go to the negative. Yeah, that's it. Then you have the head here. You just have to plug this one inside this other head. This is the head, you plug it here, and you also have to put your SIM card here. You also have to put your SIM card. When you put your SIM card, this is the cover. You use the cover, make sure you cover it, and you are free to go. So thank you guys for watching the part 1 of the GPS tracker. I will be taking you to part 2, where I will show you the function of the light of the GPS. So thank you guys for watching. I just want you to subscribe and share the video and like it if the video really help you. So this will go the GPS in the next video.